Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to unblock a number on iOS 26. To do it, go to the phone app, then select contacts, and now you'll find different contacts, and if someone is blocked you'll see this icon next to their profile picture, so you can click on them. Then scroll down and click on Unblocked Contact. If someone was blocked and you can't see them on the contacts list, go to the settings. Then in the settings, scroll all the way down to Apps, then scroll to Phone app. Now you'll see blocked contacts right here. And you can see either here the ones that are actually in your contacts and are blocked, or you can go to unknown, and here are unknown colors that might have been blocked. And to unblock them, you'll need to swipe to the left, then click on unblock. And I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next one.